Sorry, it's morning. I look like shit. My eyes look like shit. No time to make anything. I'm gonna make a latte out of the tea I made yesterday. So I have a little bit of milk left, and I have some protein powder which I'm gonna add so that I can keep my stomach busy while I am in this meeting. Milk I saved from yesterday. I'm gonna add more milk to it now. And because I have no time, I'm gonna add the chai tea. That's enough. Let's put that protein powder in there. I'm putting a whole scoop because I'm not drinking the whole thing. This is what it ended up looking like. I think I'm gonna be sick. I finished my meeting and I'm starving. Let's see what's in the fridge. That's all I got, but it's morning time. I'm gonna have some pumpkin spice waffles. I don't have anything to put on top. Let's look at the fridge to see what we get. No judgment. This is what I got. Those eggs are for my son, so not me. I got this, so I may use this instead of anything else. I'll let you know how it tastes. Do I have doubts that it will be good? No, it's basically bread and cream. You could say that. I have that all the time on bagels. I am starving. Gotta think of something quick. I'm hungry. I have some taco shells. I feel like that's easy and I'm starving. I think I may put some stuff in there. Let's see what I got. I've never cooked these before. Maybe I can put them in there. This is what's happening. What else do I got? Ooh, this Santa Fe blend of vegetables. I think this is good. Ooh, this. Some mushrooms? Perfect. I'm scouring my sauces to see what I can add to the stir fry sauce. No, maybe it's a good idea. Oh, sesame garlic. Sounds good. I haven't opened this one yet. So the tempeh is what I'm worried about the flavor because I don't never cooked it before. I've had it but never cooked it before myself. Marinate, simmer, and favorite sauces. So I wasn't too bad at that. Because I'm too hungry to wait, I'm gonna use the same pot to cook everything else. Ooh, looking good. That's the dish. I'm about to have one. Trying for the very first time. I like the sauce. Maybe you should put longer. Maybe it's cooked. I don't know. What is it supposed to taste like? In the comments below, tell me. Like, what's the texture supposed to be? I feel like it's a little like not chewy enough. Is that a thing? It's like not chewy enough. But the sauce is bomb. I'm just making this. I'm just making the mixed Santa Fe blend vegetables. And I'm gonna add the mushrooms on top of that because I'm lazy. Chefs are gonna hate me for doing that, but whatever. It's gonna get cooked, don't worry. I put some salsa in there and some nutritional yeast. And I think it tastes amazing. Or maybe I'm hungry. No, it's so delicious. And I feel like I could have made it better. I had 4. I didn't have 2. I have 4. I went for seconds and thirds. So next, I think I'm gonna make pasta because it's easy, because I have some pasta, and because I want to. I don't know what way. I'm tired and hungry. I have some spaghetti. Where is it? I don't know. Hold up. That was too easy. I don't have another pot, guys, so this will have to do. It always does. I'm making somebody soñando, Dominican style. I'm just sauteing the fiesta vegetables. I'm gonna warm up these from earlier, the tempeh from earlier.
I done myself with my original thinking.
Can't see the world on a silver platter. Some people want it all, but I want nothing at all. It's better than you, baby. I can see better. Some people want tambourine. I don't want everything. That's that. Want everything. This is it. This is all you get. This is how you do it. When you ain't got no food, you make it work with what you got. Here's more sauce, but not bad. That's it for me tonight. So, if you like this video, give it a like. Please subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, please subscribe, because it really helps me out. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!